Alright, what's up everyone? So today I lost $525 trading Nasdaq. I'll do a recap, I'll explain everything. Basically, the setup happened. I followed the rules and everything. It just didn't play out, which is okay. It happens. The strategy won't work 100%, but like we seen last week, it worked very nice. So yeah, no over trading, no taking a second trade. That's it. Before I start the video, I just want to say thanks to the people who checked my previous video till the end. Now I know who you guys are and I appreciate that. So yeah, let's start. So like always, you guys know by now, sessions, highs and low. Let me just remove the daily. So London high and low. Then on the 4 hour, we had this gap right there. So 2 right there. Scale down to the 1 hour, adjust it, so right there. Now it seems on the 1 hour that we filled in the gap, then rejected nicely, right? We did. But on the lower time frame, here I'll show you guys. So 30 minute, no need to adjust it, everything's correct. 5 minute right there. So the gap worked and then we rejected, right? But I didn't get my confirmation, so I never got the entry for this. So no setup. Now the setup that I took was right there. 935, we rejected London low. So at 940, I was in 1, 2, 3. And yeah, I basically got to, let's see. I basically got to 1 to 1, so $500, and then it dropped. So I lost 525. Now the problem is, because we resetted the account, so we have the trailing stop loss. So basically tomorrow I calculated we only have like this left, okay, because of the trailing stop. So hopefully we just get a winning trade and the buffer will be met and everything will be correct. Or worst case, we end up losing the trade tomorrow, which is okay, but this means I have to restart a new eval, okay? And I will stay on take profit because by far the best daily payouts and everything, so I really like it. And it's even cheaper than TopStep because let's say I'm only paying 130 for the eval, right? On TopStep I'm paying 70 plus the activation fee. On take profit we don't have that, so that's nice. So yeah, like I said last video, I'm done making mistakes. I was checking my journal on Notion and my previous videos. My strategy works fine. The only problem is just me over trading and, you know, revenge trading and all that. So starting today, I'm only gonna follow my rules and that's it. Whether I lose or I win, like I said, one trade a day, that's it with my setup. So today, yeah, it's a loss. We had a nice gap, like I said, fill in and then reject, but I never got my 5 minute confirmation, so I never got in, and it's okay. We'll just, hopefully we win tomorrow, so I don't have to restart an account, but if we don't, we don't. That's basically it for today. Before I finish the video, let me know guys in the comment, do you guys want to see me like live trade or you guys prefer recaps? If I live trade, it's probably gonna be longer videos with less of me talking, but you guys can see the execution live and everything. So yeah, let me know. Yeah, see you guys tomorrow.